We are pleased to show you the 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup, and it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, towing package, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors, power brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.